Hey, everyone! Welcome back to Money Mind USA, your ultimate guide to smart investing and financial growth. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and join our journey toward financial freedom. In today's video, we're breaking down 5 of the best stocks to buy for beginners in the USA, companies that have proven track records, strong fundamentals, and real-world value. Whether you're just starting out or looking to build a solid, stable portfolio, these stocks are for you. So grab your notebook because we're diving deep into Apple, Microsoft, Coca-Cola, Amazon, and Texas Instruments, and why they could be your smartest first steps into the stock market. Let's start with a tech titan that needs no introduction, Apple Incorporated. You've probably used an iPhone, maybe even a MacBook or AirPods. But what makes Apple a smart buy for beginners? Why Apple? Brand power. Apple isn't just a tech company, it's a global icon. Its brand loyalty is insane, and that creates a dependable stream of revenue. Ecosystem advantage. Apple's ecosystem, from iPhones to iPads to iCloud, keeps users locked in and spending more over time. Financial strength. Apple has one of the strongest balance sheets in the world. We're talking billions in cash reserves. Share buybacks. Apple frequently buys back its own shares, which increases the value of shares you hold as an investor. If you had invested $1,000 in Apple 10 years ago, you'd have over $10,000 today. Apple is great for long-term growth and offers stability in a volatile tech market. Plus, they've started giving dividends. That's passive income. Next up, the OG of personal computing, Microsoft. But this isn't the Windows 95 company anymore. Microsoft has evolved in a big way. Why Microsoft? Cloud domination. Azure, Microsoft's cloud platform, is a beast. It's second only to Amazon's AWS. Recurring revenue. From Office 365 to Xbox Game Pass, Microsoft has mastered subscriptions. That's consistent, predictable cash flow. AI and enterprise. Microsoft is investing heavily in artificial intelligence and business software, both hot sectors with massive growth. Strong dividend history. Microsoft is a dividend aristocrat, meaning they've increased their dividend for 25+ years. That's ideal for beginners wanting income and growth. Microsoft is one of only 2 US companies with a AAA credit rating. Translation? Super trustworthy. Microsoft gives you exposure to tech, cloud, gaming, and enterprise, all in one stock. It's like buying a mini mutual fund. Let's take a sip of stability with Coca-Cola. This isn't just a beverage brand. It's an investing classic. Why Coca-Cola? Recession-resistant. No matter what happens in the economy, people still drink Coke. That makes it a defensive stock. Global reach. Coca-Cola operates in over 200 countries and has over 500 brands under its umbrella, from Sprite to Minute Maid. Reliable dividends. Coca-Cola has paid a dividend for over 60 years. It's the king of consistent payouts. Backed by Buffett. Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway is one of Coke's biggest shareholders, and he's not known for picking losers. Fun fact, Coca-Cola has increased its dividend every single year for more than 60 years, a true dividend king. Beginner tip, this stock is perfect for stability seekers. You might not see explosive growth, but you'll enjoy reliable returns and steady dividends. All right, now we're getting into serious e-commerce territory. It's time to talk about Amazon. Why Amazon? E-commerce dominance. Over 40% of all online shopping in the US goes through Amazon. That's a digital empire. Cloud revenue. AWS, Amazon Web Services, is a massive profit driver, funding Amazon's other innovations. Innovation machine. From Alexa to Amazon Prime to grocery delivery, Amazon is always ahead of the curve. Global expansion. They're not just a US company. Amazon's global presence is expanding rapidly. Fun fact, Amazon Prime has over 200 million subscribers globally. That's a huge, loyal customer base. Beginner tip, while Amazon doesn't currently pay a dividend, it offers unmatched growth potential. Think of this as a long-term growth engine for your portfolio. And last but not least, a less talked about gem in the tech world, Texas Instruments. You might know them for calculators, but they're much more than that. Why Texas Instruments? Semiconductor powerhouse. TXN designs chips used in everything from cars to medical devices. Chips are the backbone of modern tech. Strong margins. Unlike some tech companies, TXN focuses on profit, and they do it well. Dividend hero. This is another dividend aristocrat with over 15 years of increases. Reliable income? Check. Capital efficiency. TXN has a reputation for being shareholder-friendly, returning capital via dividends and share buybacks. Fun fact, over 95% of Texas Instruments' revenue comes from products they design and manufacture themselves. Beginner tip, TXN offers a combo of steady growth and strong dividends, perfect for building a balanced portfolio. Let's do a quick recap of our top 5 beginner-friendly stocks. Apple, AAPL, Innovation plus Global Brand. Microsoft, MSFT. Cloud King plus Reliable Dividends. Coca-Cola, KO. Stability plus Income. Amazon, EMZN. E-commerce plus Future Tech. Texas Instruments, TXN. Quiet performer with strong fundamentals. These companies offer a mix of growth, income, and stability, the perfect foundation for any new investor. So, which one of these 5 stocks is your favorite? Drop it in the comments below. Are you Team Apple, or does the dividend power of Coca-Cola speak to you more? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a smart move in the money game. Remember, investing isn't about timing the market, it's about time in the market. Start small, stay consistent, and let your money grow. This is Money Mind USA, where we grow wealth the smart way. Until next time, stay smart, stay invested, and keep building your money mind.